If the driver unit in your tool should break, you can easily replace it yourself by following these instructions. When servicing your tool, you should always start by emptying the nails from the gun and disconnect the air hose. Loosen the top cover of the nailer using a 5mm Allen key. Carefully remove the cover from the tool, as the driver unit can follow with it. Remove the loose press rings fitted on the cylinder. Remove the black protective cushion. Carefully pry the cylinder from the tool using a large flat chisel or a large Allen key. Make sure not to damage the surface. Carefully remove the driver unit. Lift out and replace the bumper. Fit the new driver. Grease the Teflon ring using the supplied grease. Insert the driver unit in the base. Align the driver in the guide hole at the bottom of the nailer. Push the cylinder back into place again. Fit the rings. Replace the cylinder cap seal. Make sure to press it into its groove. Reassemble and cross-tighten the screws. Your tool is now ready to use again.